guys, good afternoon, welcome to my vlog, and happy Friday. It's weekend again. Enjoy your weekend and advance happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Enjoy your weekend and enjoy your Valentine's Day. Anyway, I'm here in the balcony, our small balcony here. Yeah, that road is the small road there, the road going straight to Lake Park in Cornish Street, Cornish Beach. This is our neighbor. I don't know what building is this. I cannot see anyone there. Always closed and there is no window. I think it's a factory inside because the big machine is very noisy. This is our neighbor. Yeah, that road going straight to the Lake Park in Cornish Road, Cornish Beach. Anyway guys, it's weekend again. Enjoy your weekend and happy Valentine's Day. See you. This balcony is in the north side. We cannot see the morning sun here. Only the afternoon sunlight. A while ago, mga 1 o'clock, I see the sun. 1 p.m. I see the sun here. But now, there is no sun anymore. The sun is hiding in the back of the building. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion, and of course don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Happy weekend and happy Valentine's Day. Enjoy your weekend and enjoy your Valentine's Day. Bye. I love you all. Bye bye. Even though we don't have a Valentino Day tomorrow, it's okay. I used to be like that. In my whole life, I never had a Valentino. Anyway guys, bye. Enjoy your day, enjoy your weekend.